Sunflowers is the Shoo. Girasoles is más grande.
Nets by this four. Four. Right. I just lifted mud like and I was being empty.
Oh,
Do it another one.
very nice. Just left one of the frames out while I'm mucho meal. Nice honey. Muy llena.
Yeah.
Big zonnebloem. Chrysalis más grande. Oh. Fantastísimo. Mucho meal.
Oh, inside the nets.
Oh dear.
But they'll come because they build inside.
Okay, just move the axle over, ne?
No, it's all both sides. It's only this side over here.
Yeah, but leave the axle like that. The bottom one?
The bottom one is okay, but we'll take this one down.
Oh, it's the one from the bottom. It's coming up.
Yeah, it's like so.
Huh?
Yeah. I think this is like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, super. Yeah, I see.
Sunflower honey. Boil. Lot of honey. Mucho milk.